Detailed Version Labour Codes 2025. Starting from 2025, India's entire labour system has changed. Your salary structure, PF, working hours, rights at work, gig worker benefits, everything is now updated. In this video, we break down the presage, new labour codes implemented across India in a clear and comprehensive way. Why did India change its labour laws? India's old labour laws were outdated, overlapping, and complicated. Government merged 29 such laws into 4 major codes. Code on Wages, Industrial Relations Code, Social Security Code, OSH, Occupational Safety and Health Code. Salary changes affecting every employee. Basic salary minimum 50% of CTC. Higher PF contribution. Higher gratuity. Slightly lower take-home salary. CTC unchanged. Working hours and weekly structure. Standard 48-hour workweek. 8 hours 6 days, 9.5 hours 5 days, or 12 hours 4 days, 4-day week option. Overtime now double wage. Night shift rules strengthened for women. Contract and fixed-term employees. Equal treatment as permanent staff. Mandatory appointment letters. Gratuity after 1 year. Gig and platform workers. Applies to Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, Rapido, freelancers. Benefits. Accident insurance. Social Security Fund. Health coverage. Old age benefits. Safety, health and working conditions. Clean water, sanitation, safety equipment. Annual health checkup. Night shift safety for women. Impact on companies. Single unified labor license. Layoff threshold increased to 300 workers. Digital compliance. Easier hiring of contract and gig workers. Economic benefits. Boosts employment. Simplifies compliance. Helps startups and industries grow. Protects workers. National summary. 50% basic rule. PF and gratuity increase. 4-day workweek option. Equal rights for contract workers. Protection for gig workers. Unified compliance system. Layoff threshold 100 to 300. Stronger safety norms. This provides a detailed explanation of how the new labour codes affect employees, companies, and gig workers across India. Like, subscribe, share for more update.